Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company in Lockwood, South Birmingham. So, VW Transporter camper van, 2015 demonstrator plus one owner in natural grey, 32,000 miles, very good service history, cam belt replaced by VW at 24,000 miles, recently serviced, once for nothing. Very high quality conversion. Started life 2 litre TDI, it's a 102 brake horsepower, 5-speed manual diesel Highline. So Highline, cruise control, freezing cold air conditioning, front fog lamps, rear park sensors, natural grey metallic, lovely colour scheme. Standard factory alloy wheels. You'll see the Fiamma awning on the side, which has the hole in the back securely stowed to wind it out. So demo plus one owner, lovely conversion this. See the rear park sensors on there, spare wheels under there, privacy glass, lovely original straight low mileage van. Wheels excellent condition, great tyres, lots of tread on them, no stone chips, sliding opening window there. So 32,000 miles. I've listed the history in the advert, 5 services, maybe 6 services, including the cam belt. So leather steering wheel, cruise control, 32,780 miles. Air conditioning, 5-speed manual diesel. Seats in the front, armrests, and they swivel. There's a safe underneath the passenger seat, leisure battery under the driver's seat. Lovely blue curtains, dark blue and light blue Bentley Quilted, fitted mats. So in here, first thing, nice swing out table. There is another table stored in the back which clicks onto that rail there underneath the worktop and sticks out in front of the rock and roll bed. Now you'll notice units, they're slimlined for 3/4 of the vehicle, so that you get the slightly wider rock and roll bed rather than the narrow one. The one I prefer because I'm big. Fridge working, spotlessly clean, lovely quality drawers throughout, lots of storage, lights, curtains, slide open wardrobes, more storage, another wardrobe at the back. Nice fold down locker in the roof for extra storage with lights underneath it. Interior lights, fridge, auxiliary, pump for your sink, socket, sink and cooker. Auxiliary batteries down there with the cut-offs. There's a safe there and there's your mains hookup, power cable and plug there. And the back park sensors. Another table. There's the table that clips on the cupboard units. There's the handle for the Fiamma awning, fire extinguisher, lights, curtains, lined, insulated, lots of lighting. You can have this down, this part of the bed, or you can fold it up out of the way. More cupboards, more storage, gas bottles in there, another wardrobe here, more storage. Probably as good a conversion as we have ever seen. Comes with a certificate for the bed. It's a certificated bed and fitting with seat belts for passengers. Obviously we have 2 keys, wallet, service book, demo plus 1 owner, bill from VW for the cam belt and water pump at 24,000 miles. So £24,995. Don't think you'll find a lower mileage better one at that money. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with nearly 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 10 years. If you subscribe to our channel, you'll get a notification every time we have a fresh vehicle come into our stock profile. You will be one of the first people to know about it. You get a notification to your phone or laptop or desktop or iPad. So please subscribe to Barclay Motor Company 5243 on YouTube. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.